I've realized I've shown a lot of products, packaging, and the behind the scenes of Starlight Bath and Body, but I haven't really introduced myself. So, hi, I'm Kia, the founder of Starlight Bath and Body. So, a little bit about me is I've been in the beauty industry for years, in the fashion industry, and as a nail tech and a cosmetologist and a business owner. So, beauty and self-care have always been a big part of my life. I've always loved helping people feel good and cared for. So, Starlight Bath and Body is really meant to be an extension of that. I wanted to create products that make everyday self-care feel a little more special. Something soft and beautiful and intentional, not just something that you use quickly, but something that feels like you making a moment for yourself. So right now the brand is still young, but the vision is way bigger than just one product. I'm hoping to build a full bath and body line with body butters and candles, wax melts, shower steamers as Starlight grows. And even though I've been in business and in the beauty world for a long time, a product-based business definitely has its own process. So there are lots of details that go into it, from the formulas and the scents, the labels, the packaging, the photos, the lighting, the shipping, just everything. It all goes together, and I have to make it look like it goes together. So it's really been about paying attention and making adjustments and continuing to just build that brand with care. So every order to me right now and forever will still feel extremely special. It all matters to me because someone chose to support something that I created. And I don't take that for granted or take that lightly. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you've already supported, ordered, liked, shared, just following along, thank you. Thank you so much. So again, I'm Kia, and don't forget to get a little dose of luxury that's written in the stars today.